we are back with the mycotoxin lunch and learn. A lot of times if there's going to be a water damaged building that is hosting the types of molds that we get ochratoxin from, we will also find citrinin in that same location, typically. So think of them as kind of like Bonnie and Clyde, you know, they like to kind of come together, each one of them dangerous, but together even more so, that kind of thing. So Aspergillus and Penicillium are the most commonly found types of molds in indoor buildings. Just because they're common doesn't mean they're healthy. And so they can spit out this particular mycotoxin. This is from poorly stored grains. It can be, but if you're exposed to a damp or musty or water damaged building, it's from the building. Just like ochratoxin, citrinin is really hard on the kidneys. So when you have a citrinin ochratoxin combination, kidney support has to be like your number one thing that you are focusing on. Its favorite building material, these molds, the favorite building material is wallpaper, wood, drywall, linoleum, and the insulation paper on insulation. So anything papery. And some of the symptoms that it's causing, so if we look at the big picture of what citrinin can do, it can be toxic to the cells, the genes, the liver, the kidneys. It can cause birth defects and changes, so that's called being teratogenic. It can be toxic to embryos, so it's not going to be any surprise that this can cause infertility, miscarriages, and early birth, premature birth. And it's also carcinogenic.